Hi all, welcome to today's post-market report from the Zebu school. So in the morning we have seen that I don't have any view and I just wanted to wait for this expiry to get over because it's a monthly expiry and moreover it is a financial year closure. So I just waited and just got the glimpse of the data, and what I could feel is from here market is going to take some pressure. This is what I am going to sense. So this is what my view also. So I already updated in my our Telegram channel that market is slightly bullish. Like if you ask me exactly which is bullish, which is bearish, coming to the Nifty point of view, like because Nifty has already breached the last 7 to 8 days trading range and it is trading, it is trying to retest those zones. So the retesting will be somewhere around 17,400. So today morning also it has come down and again started rising and consolidating at the middle point of the day. So for the Nifty, I feel like still there is a room for upper move. So slightly I am bullish in the Nifty, whereas in the Bank Nifty at the end of the session, if I analyze all these things, what I am trying to get is Bank Nifty, the supply zone pressure is acting, and moreover if you look at the daily chart, not even daily, if you go to the hourly chart, there is a double top formation, and along with that what is happening with the double top, and we are having a divergence kind of setup. Even Nifty is having a divergence, but only thing was Nifty has already broken the last 7 to 8 days trading range, and even if you see the Nifty is already in the kind of uptrending wedge panel. So that means it is slightly at the support. When it reaches the resistance, I will be jumping in. So if you ask me what is the range for that Nifty zone, if I wanted to jump in for the sell, it is somewhere around 17,700 to 650 zone. So that is a zone. If I wanted to sell, I can come and jump as a sell. But right now, Bank Nifty, comparatively, if I look, Nifty is slightly bullish. But I generally trade in Bank Nifty for the lower expiries, and for the Nifties, I always trade in the longer expiries. That means next month. So like kind that, I'm just trading. So when I'm taking a view, so I just take the more or less 3-4 days view in the Bank Nifty. Whereas if I take a Nifty view, I just try to take it for the next 10 to 15 days. So with that aspect, I'm saying, so immediately for the next 5 days, there is a possibility that market can correct in the Bank Nifty, means the pressure is getting realized, I guess. So because of the expiry, somehow it has stayed there, and moreover the data point of thing, all the things are over. So here what I'm suggesting is, in case if you are a little bullish, you try to play in the Nifty, and moreover please note down, even if you wanted to go in the Nifty, the retest points itself is somewhere around 17,400 to 17,350. That is only the retest point. Please note down. If you wanted to use it as a stop loss, the stop loss is somewhere around 17,200. So that is the minimum swing point. If you can keep is only that much. Whereas if you see the Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty you can keep 37 zone even for the 5 minutes closing basis as the stop loss for the 37 zone as the stop loss for the Bank Nifty in case if you are bearish. So I am assuming that there is a possibility market can correct, so Bank Nifty can correct till 3600 to 35,800. So minimum target for my bearish viewers. So most probably, if nothing is going to happen, if there is no positive news or negative news, so with only natural kind of market stability with the price I am seeing, I expect a small gap down towards the 36 zone based on the Bank Nifty study. But looking at Nifty, so Nifty is the one thing which is going to hold the Bank Nifty right now. So in case if somebody is shorting, so try to short Bank Nifty, because structurally it is little weaker than going and just jumping on shorting the Nifty. So moreover, if you see the India VIX is again somehow subsiding near 20. So that means again the volatility has cooled down. So volatility has to cool down in the sense, if you wanted to see how do you sense what is the next move. So if you ask me one more trick, like, so tell me what is the range that Bank Nifty can move in another 1 or 2 days. So just very simple, no need to worry about what is the India VIX, what is the other things. So what you go is directly go to the option table, so our option chain, wherever is the at the money straddle. So just calculate the total premium of the call and put, just add it. So if you see Bank Nifty comes around, so 36,300, right? So if you calculate and see, almost 1,070 rupees is the actual premium. So 1,000 to 100 rupees is the at the money premium for the next week. So that means what? Next 1 or 2 days Bank Nifty can go. So instead of using ATR, it is better to use always the option premiums, because option premiums are calculated based on the volatility, and that defines the exact range of the market. That means, see, I'm not saying they're going to come down or come up. So in case if you are keeping in mind that max, if you are going for long, then if you are getting 1000 points, try to book that, because the option itself is factor in only that much move. So it will be better. So you can start trailing after hitting the 1000 points. So that is a one simple hint you can take it from this today's video. And moreover, my expectation I'm saying, so Nifty I'm expecting a flat basis, whereas Bank Nifty I'm expecting either flat or a maximum 200 to 250 point gap down. This is what expectation. And moreover, I've already shared what is the strategy I've already made for the next week in a Telegram channel. So if you're worrying like where to check for, there is a description below this video where we have the Telegram channel link of the Zebu school. Please join there. We will try to update whatever the market views, and moreover I have already updated the daily chart, which I am talking about where the supply zone is coming from the daily chart. That also I updated. So please have a look at it, and then you can take your informed decision. So that's it from as of now. We can tomorrow review it, and we will see what is the next further. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off, Damodharan.